5 Rules of Decency in Dealing with Wildlife. If you didn't grow it, don't take it from nature. Gathering wildflowers led to devastation neighborhoods of settlements. Tearing wildflowers and catching, destroying other living creatures, demonstrates an ignorance, stupid arrogance and irresponsibility. A decent person does not allow himself/herself to leave garbage, break branches, make noise with songs, shouts, music, make fires, and do other nasty things in the bosom of nature. A decent person respects all living beings and does not dare to harm and disturb them. Don't go off the path. You came to rest, they live here. Will it be unpleasant for you when impudent revelers break into your house from the street and break your furniture? Put yourself in the place of animals and birds, which already have less and less space for a normal life. Any benefit, any pleasure at the expense of the destruction of nature is immoral. If you have taken away space for housing, businesses, roads and other needs from the wild, then restore natural ecosystems, especially forests, enough to cover the environmental damage caused.